So Google just dropped a whole bunch of new AI tools. And trust me, this isn't just another minor update. What we're seeing here is a really fundamental shift in how AI fits into our work. It's moving from being, a cool trick to a legitimate professional partner. The big idea? Making AI ready to actually do the job. We've all seen those demos, right? An AI builds this amazing-looking app in like 30 seconds. And you think, wow, I'm getting a fully finished product. But the reality? It's more like a beautiful sandcastle. It looks incredible, but the moment a real user touches it, the whole thing just crumbles. And that huge gap between the slick demo and a real working app is exactly what Google's trying to fix. So how are they doing it? What's Google's first big move? Well, it's a super powerful new coding agent that lives inside Google AI Studio, and it's called Antigravity. Its mission is pretty simple, to completely get rid of that flimsy, breakable prototype. Look, the whole point of anti-gravity isn't just to spit out a bunch of code. It's designed to build a solid foundation. It takes your idea and creates a real application, one you can actually build on top of, not one that just shatters the first time you look at it funny. And how exactly does it build something so robust? By doing all the hard stuff for you automatically. I mean, think about trying to build a real-time collaborative app. Antigravity handles all that complex multiplayer stuff and the live data syncing right out of the box. It even sets up your backend, your database, your user authentication. It's literally like having a senior developer come in and handle all that critical but super tedious setup work for you. But it's not just about the code itself, it's about the whole development process. Antigravity securely manages your API keys. It supports the big boy frameworks that you actually use in the real world, like Next.js and React. And it remembers your project's history, so it can make smarter edits. You see? It's not just a code generator, it's really being built to be a true teammate in the development process. Okay, so on to the next big thing, an AI that's stuck in a browser tab. It's kind of like a brilliant artist who's trapped in a tiny little room. Google's second major move is to break Gemini out of that browser tab and give it a proper home, right on your desktop. This quote right here absolutely nails it. A native Gemini app from macOS isn't just about making it easier to open. No, it's a huge strategic shift to transform Gemini from just some website you visit into a constant, proactive assistant that's always there, ready to help you get stuff done. And you can really see the progression here, right? First, the AI lived in a browser. Now, it's becoming a native app. But what's the end game? Deep system-level access. An AI that can manage your files, that can juggle tasks between totally different programs, and can genuinely collaborate with you on your work, not just answer your questions. And this is all happening at lightning speed. I mean, just a month ago, the Apple-Google partnership was just an announcement. Today,